Good morning, everyone. Misty here, and I am back with another design team project kit share. Design team kit share. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. And this is for Lindsey Z for Nevermore Creation 17. I am doing something different. It's something I've never done, and something I've always wanted to work with. And okay, you guys are gonna hear my dude back here playing with his cars and stuff, so uh, please bear with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see. This is Frolic. Make sure I say it right. This is Fairy Frolics. It's a digital journal kit. Let me pull this up just a touch. Straighten my camera out. There we go. Okay. This, again, like I said, is for Lindsey Z, Nevermore Creation 17. And I decided to do something with fairies. I've always wanted to and just never did. And this is such a beautiful kit, a gorgeous one. And I said, the heck with it, I need to work with this kit. So here is one of the pages. Absolutely beautiful. This, I can see using this as a journal card and cut this out for an embellishment. Very pretty. This for the front, the book plate is what I see for this. I love this. I love the little washi here, if you can see the washi. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Love that as well. Of course, some purple makes me happy. The polka dots, I love the way Lindsey creates. She is so eclectic, and that is like right up my alley. That's my thing right there. And so that's why I love her digis. You have the polka dots and the purple here, the little blinged out. It is, and then you got your vintage. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love this. Look, she is just so sweet, you guys. Love, and it says, of course I knew there are no fairies, but that need to, I can't even read it. I need my glasses. Let me hold it up here. Maybe you guys can read it. There we go. Oh. So that's what it says. I can't really see without my glasses, you guys. This, I love this. Love these flowers. This gorgeous fairy and her flowers on her dress. The butterflies. The script that looks like it's glittered. It is really, really beautiful. I see shabby. Is when I look at this, that's what I see. I love the flowers. A wish and fairy dust. Be yourself. Unless you can be a fairy, then always be a fairy. I love that. Love these. The pearls. The pearls are my thing. They are my thing, guys. The butterflies. The little glitter script. The lace going down here to the side. Absolutely beautiful. I love this little sleeping fairy here. The purple, of course. I got to have my purple, guys. Little fairy here. I love this kit. I love the marble background. The vintage cards here. The butterflies. These are just beautiful. I love the little flower here. Just all the details that Lindsey has done with this is just beautiful. Love. So those are the pages. There's quite a few pages. I didn't even count them. But as you can tell, there's quite a few pages in this kit. And then the ephemera. Look at these journal cards. Absolutely awesome. I love the touch of the little splatters in it. The gold leaf here going up through. You can't see it because my camera wants to be a jerk. Love the tags, the little fairy images, the ticket. It's so cute. The library card. I love these. Telling the fairies the time. The time, dear fairies, is if you would know, is really quite late, so to bed we must go. How cute is that? So this is my design team kit for Lindsey. I cannot wait to get started. I'm going to be doing some craft with me videos of some of the things that I make. I'm really into collaging right now. I've always loved collaging, but I was just never... I don't think I was the best at it, and I was kind of nervous about starting, you know, doing things like that, but I think I'm going to do some of that in this with some of the pages and things like that. So I will be doing some craft with me's. As most of you know, I do a lot of my videos at night unless I can get them done like today during the day. Kind of hard when you have a 2-year-old running around. You guys know this. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. So I do a lot of my videos at night. That's when I get the peace and the quiet to start creating and things like that. So you guys, this is what I'm going to work with in July. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Run over, grab these kits. I will have the link to all of Lindsey's social media things. Okay, let's try this again. I will have the link to Lindsey's YouTube, her webpage, and her group, all of that down below. I will have the links to this kit, to this kit down below. So if you want this kit, all you do is just click on the link and it'll take you right to it. But while you're there, check out all of her other amazing digis. She has a marketplace where so many amazing artists sends her journals and she posts them to sell. She also has a junk journal supplies tab as well with some amazing things. I got like a 20-pound box of books from her and I am in love with all of them. I've been using them a lot. Let's see what else. She has the digital image club, which is $8.99, I believe it is, for 2 months. Yes, $8.99 for 2 months, and she emails you several times a week of some amazing images, vintage, just gorgeous things that are free to use and design with and all of that. They are public domain, so check that out as well. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know. Leave a comment down below and all of that amazing stuff. So guys, have a great day. I'm going to leave you like I always do with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.